Question number 4. The difference between the measures of two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of two angles. Here given that the difference between two complementary angle is 40 degree. दोघे अँगल कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल आहेत, त्यांच्यातला फरक किती डिग्रीचा आहे? 40 डिग्रीचा आहे. याच्यावरून एक लहान अँगल असेल, एक मोठा अँगल असेल, परंतु ते दोघी कसे आहेत? कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी आहेत. कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी असल्यामुळे दोघांची बेरीज किती असणार आहे? 90 डिग्री असणार आहे. बिकॉज सम ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल इज 90 डिग्री. मग आपण आता गणित सोडवायला सुरुवात करूया. सपोज दॅट measure of smaller angle be x and therefore measure of bigger angle is equal to x plus 40 degree. Given that given angles are complementary, therefore their sum is 90 degree. Therefore here first angle is x degree and second angle is x plus 40 degree is equal to x and x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore solve this equation. Now here x plus x, that is twice x, plus 40 degree is equal to 90. आता काय कराल? आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. हा 40 अधिक इकडे, त्याला राईट हँड साईडला पाठवा, उजव्या बाजूला पाठवा. इकडे अधिक आहे, तिकडे जाताना काय होईल? वजा होईल. म्हणून देअरफॉर 2x इज इक्वल टू 90 मायनस 40. फर्स्ट सबट्रॅक्ट इट. आता यांची वजाबाकी करा. देअरफॉर 2x इज इक्वल टू 90 मायनस 40, दॅट इज 50. देअरफॉर x ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. Relation between x and 2 is multiplication. If we put in right hand side of 2, then it becomes divide. Therefore x is equal to 50 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to 25. But we know that x is a measure of the smaller angle. Therefore measure of smaller angle is equal to 25 degree. Therefore measure of bigger angle is equal to x plus 40 degree. X plus 40 degree, that is x, that is 25 plus 40 is equal to 65 degree. Therefore measures of the angles are 25 degree and 65 degree. In this way we solve this example. Question number 5. Quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angle. Here note that given that quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. Therefore you know the properties of rectangle. Now first property is every angle of a rectangle is right angle. Right angle, that is measure of its 90 degree. Therefore angle P is equal to angle T is equal to angle N is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree. Because give the reason, each angle of rectangle is right angle. Therefore here find the pairs of supplementary angle. You know that definition of supplementary angle. So if the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called the supplementary angles. Here note that each angle of this rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, if we take the sum of any two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, write the all pairs of supplementary angles. Now first pair is, for example, angle P plus angle T is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we say that angle P and angle T are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. In this way, any two angle, take any two angle, their sum is 180 degree. Therefore, each pair, that is angle P and angle T, angle T and angle N, angle N and angle M, angle P and angle M, angle N, angle P and angle N, angle T and angle M. All these pairs are pairs of supplementary angles. Therefore, pairs of supplementary angles are pairs of supplementary angle P and angle T, angle T and angle N, angle N and angle M, angle M and angle P. Okay, angle P and angle N. Okay, angle M and angle T. In this way, there are 6 pairs of supplementary angles. Okay. Question number 6. If measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of complement of angle A? आता इथे लक्षात घ्या, अँगल ए चं माप दिलेलं आहे 70 डिग्री. तुम्हाला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? मेजर ऑफ सप्लिमेंट. कोणाचा सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल? ऑफ कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अँगल ए, म्हणजे ए चा जो कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल असेल त्याचा सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. म्हणजे सर्वात आधी तुम्ही काय करणार? कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अँगल ए, म्हणजे ए चा कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल तुम्हाला सर्वात आधी फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. Now here given that measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree. Suppose measure of complement of angle A be x, but we know that sum of the measures of two complementary angle is 90 degree. Therefore angle A, measure angle A plus x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore measure angle A, that is 70 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore x is equal to 70 ला शिफ्ट करा, इकडे जाताना काय होईल? मायनस 90 minus 70. Therefore x is equal to 90 minus 70, that is equal to 20. Therefore x is equal to 20 degree. Therefore measure of complement of angle A is equal to 20 degree. आता तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे मेजर ऑफ द सप्लिमेंट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ ए. देयरफॉर मेजर ऑफ सप्लिमेंट ऑफ complement of angle A B Y. Therefore given that supplement of complement of angle A B Y, therefore measure of complement of A, that is 20 degree, plus measure measure of supplement of A, B, Y. These two angles are supplementary angles. Therefore, their sum is 180 degree. Therefore, put this 20 on the right hand side. Therefore, Y is equal to 180 minus 20. Therefore, Y is equal to 160 degree. Therefore, we write in this way: measure of supplement of complement of angle A is 160 degree. In this way, we solve this example. Question number 7. If angle A and angle B are supplementary angles and measure angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree, then what would be measure of angle A? Therefore, given measure of angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree, and also given that angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. You know the definition of supplementary angles. Sum of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. But we know that angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree. Put this value. Therefore, angle A is equal to, angle A plus x plus 20 is equal to 180. Now, put these two terms x and 20 on the right hand side. तुम्हाला याला कोणत्या बाजूला घेऊन जायचं आहे? उजव्या बाजूला घेऊन जायचं. जे दोघी प्लस आहेत इकडे जाताना दोघं काय होतील? मायनस. आपले राईट हँड साईड आहे 180 minus 20 minus x. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 minus 20, that is 160 minus x. In this way, measure of angle A is equal to 160 minus x degree.